Are we aging or growing or transforming, that is made or born in space and time, has to age or grow as time passes by? This is inevitable because everything and everyone is caught up in the contours or the matrix of space and time. All that we know and experience, all that is made or born, cannot escape from this predicament of time factor. Aging is common for everything and everyone, whether something is living or non living, whether it is any creature with or without consciousness or self consciousness, everything and everybody has to age. For instance, anything that is part of nature, like a mountain or a forest or a lake or a river, gets older as time passes by. That is why the universe today we say 13.8 billion years old. In course of the centuries and millennia, there is certainly an aging process, and that becomes older and older. Of course, as time goes by, there can be changes in their appearances, directions, or strengths, but there is aging for a river, for a forest, or a lake, or a mountain. Aging or getting old, so to say, is applicable to things that are human made also. That's why there is a lifetime, say, for a table, whether it is made up of iron or wood or plastic. Similarly, aging is applicable to all creatures, including human beings, whether they want it or not, whether they are conscious of it or not, they cannot escape aging. But growing involves not only aging but something more. Yes, along with aging, it also implies an increase in size, and still further, it involves quality of life. It implies some holistic dimensions. Growing implies some holistic aspects, developing one's human and humane qualities, but transforming goes still a step further, because transforming it involves helping others also to grow, and only when we help others to grow, that gives meaning to our existence. Thus, one can differentiate these three aspects of aging, growing, and transforming with the help of three aspects. They are years, life, and values. Yes, aging, we can say, is just adding years to life. Growing is adding life to years, while transforming is adding life to the lives of the others.